And we are here at the barbecue place, and we're going to eat here, of course, for our dinner. Char? Mane? So we have chicken intestine and pork. Hapon ni mo hapon. Asa sapon? Nawa mo lagi sapon. Pila na siya kabok? Ganun. 5 na siya. Ah, sapon. Sagun ko na. Sagun. Kauban? Ay, kauban. Oh, kauban. Kauban rin. Ay. Wala, kadag ko. So that is our order. Plus rice, of course. Now may rice, no? So they are going to grill our food. Pila yung isda? Mahal na sa iso. So the fish is 70 per piece. Wow. 70 pesos per piece. So both of them are busy texting. And that's my brother hapon. Seryoso siya kaayo. And this is actually the barbecue place that me and my husband likes to go, especially during, of course, during dinner. Yeah. Not only because we both love grilled food or barbecue, but also it's really cheap here. So yeah, when my husband was here before he came back to Antarctica, we used to eat here during dinner. And we spent almost 300 pesos for both rice and barbecue food. Because we eat a lot of barbecue. But normally you could just spend around 100 pesos for the two of you. For the tipid price. Inday. Smile. So how's the Boko juice, Dai? Boko shake, Dai? Huh? E-I-E-O-O. Yeah, she thinks it's not good. If she doesn't have any comment. For a cost of 40 pesos per bottle, since it's medium size. So as you notice, a lot of Filipinos love to eat barbecue, of course. So you can still see a lot of people here eating during the night, even though there is Jollibee already. Because it's not just good, but as well as it's affordable. And still my sister is busy texting and surfing at her Facebook account. Sama na. Diyan na yung tanaw. And here's our food. Dili siya makita kay ngit. That's chicken intestine, and so we are about to eat. And again, we have pork barbecue and chicken intestine for our dinner. And we're waiting for our rice and sauce too. Our sauce here is not classy. Salamat tong. Ay, bangot ba yun? We finally have our rice. You have a choice. It's either you will choose to have puso, a rice covered by buli, sa mga dahon sa buli, or you will have simply the rice being put inside a plastic cellophane. And my sister is going to pray. Seryoso kayo siya po.
Kita ka ba video nga gamay pagkikita niya? Dito mo nagtutaw-tutaw mo naman.
Nga naman. Naa? I-post? Ampo day. So we're going to eat now. Thank you everyone for watching, and continue to follow our journey in the adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. Bye for now.